I'm in charge of the offering at IBM. So the reason I'm here is to connect with customers, connect with partners. We also have IBM Research here. So that's pretty exciting to have a research team on the ground, interacting directly with our customers and also showcasing our latest innovations as well. It's also been fun to interact with Spot the robot. We now have robotic inspections, and so that's a pretty big deal. It's groundbreaking. So you can actually go into Maximo and create an inspection that goes directly out to Spot. And so you're better off actually using that maintenance technician to do higher value added work. There's a lot of maintenance that they never get to that they can now actually get to if they have a robot doing some of the more routine inspections. You can even do it in the evening while nobody's in the building. So if you typically have people there during the day, Spot can go do all the inspections, and then the maintenance team can come in the morning and see what issues they ran into. Yeah, so Maximo has a 30-year legacy, and it was very important to make the investments to really set it up for the next 30 years. During COVID, a lot of companies slowed down work. We actually rolled up our sleeves and accelerated things, and that acceleration is what they're seeing today, and so we're pretty proud of it. Well, I came in almost 3 years ago into IBM and really drove Maximo 8 from the ground up, putting all the applications into a single suite, making it much easier to consume, making it really easy for someone just to try another piece of functionality is what Maximo 8 delivered. It's also a massive modernization effort to upgrade the software. It's truly transformational compared to where they're at today. It's built to last. The people who use Maximo are the people who operate all the critical infrastructure across the globe. So it's important for us to have Maximo stable, have the capabilities to run their business and the complexity. We're now infusing AI into that. So with artificial intelligence, you'll see more and more automation in the software. We've taken the everyday tasks they do and we've made it simpler, especially with the new mobile application. Very easy to use, kind of big buttons. You can use it with gloves on, but if you want, you can actually drill into tons of detail. So you kind of have the best of both worlds. We even have things like embedded artificial intelligence to use the camera of a tablet or a phone to identify parts. Everyday tasks, even just doing basic work orders and inspections is much, much simpler. Makes hundreds of thousands of technicians' lives across the globe much, much easier. So if we can make those individuals work or day better, that's our opportunity. And so that's what we do every day. What's memorable about this Maximoworld is the stuff we talked about 2 years ago. We said things were going to become more robotic. There's now robots walking on stage. So what's memorable is to cast a vision, lay out a vision that was pretty aggressive, and to see it in reality and happening at scale is pretty exciting. The ecosystem of partners, the ecosystem of vendors like Boston Dynamics, all working together to really bring maintenance into the future is pretty exciting to see. So we talked about the future. Well, the future's now. So that's what's significant, is the future's now.